Original iPhone 11 Pro Max, I think. Normal, no faults. Original screen, it is broke. I'm about to change it. So here we got the genuine original that was off the phone. And here's the replacement. You can see a bit of an Apple thing there. That's the seller I bought it off. It's his mark. So there you go, original screen, but we're still going to get an error. This is the genuine screen. I've not fitted the FaceTime just yet. Just going to see what this says as it is. This display message, then this is the original screen. So what I've got to do is I've got to copy the serial number from that screen and put it onto this screen. Hopefully that works. This is the original screen. Just copy this. So I'll read that. Perfect. I've got to copy that to the new screen. And then I'll click write. Data is being written. And that's complete. This is the new screen. And I've copied the serial number with this. I'm not happy. I'm going to get that stupid message pop up every day for 15 days until it goes away. The only thing I can think of is that I change... There's a little chip in there. I reckon if I change them over from screen to screen, that'll sort it.